South Korea is often known today through K-dramas, but what many don't know is how close the country came to collapse. Back in 1997, South Korea was hit by a financial crisis. Companies collapsed, jobs disappeared. The world thought Korea might not recover at all. So the country had to figure out a way to rebuild itself. Not just through factories, not just exports, but through something that could spread without limits. And they decided that telling stories through dramas was the way to go. K-dramas started small. Most were local productions about love, family, and everyday life in South Korea. Simple shows made for domestic audiences, never designed to reach the world. But when they left Korea, something changed. People didn't just watch them. They became curious about where they came from. And that curiosity started pulling attention towards South Korea itself. Its culture, its food, its fashion, its cities. Suddenly, entertainment wasn't just entertainment anymore. It became a gateway. Slowly, perception shifted. A country once associated with crisis started being associated with emotion, beauty, and connection. South Korea didn't just rebuild its global identity through what it produced, but through what it made the world curious about.